Hi, my name is Madeline Gutierrez, and today I will be presenting on my capstone project for the Spring 2026 MESH program, where I was focusing on rethinking a restored Los Angeles River through traditional ecological knowledge and environmental stewardship. My project is located in Los Angeles along the Los Angeles River. The Los Angeles River is a 51-mile river that flows from the San Fernando Valley through Los Angeles before reaching the Pacific Ocean near Long Beach. In the 1930s, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers channelized the river to mitigate flooding, turning it into a concrete-lined channel designed to move stormwater runoff out into the ocean. While this engineering feat reduced flooding risk for the County of Los Angeles, it also altered the river's natural ecological functions and severed the human connections to the river. Overall, leaving the watershed with a system that prioritizes stormwater drainage over environmental health and community connection. In 2022, the County of Los Angeles wanted to reimagine the iconic river by creating a more intentional green spaces for the communities throughout LA County, while also improving the health of the watershed and improving water management. With this idea in mind, they created the LA River Master Plan, which is a technical breakdown of how they would restore the Los Angeles River and implement green spaces throughout the watershed. One element of the LA River Master Plan that really stood out to me was the land acknowledgement at the beginning of the plan for the tribal nations in the LA area. This got me thinking about my research questions. How do Los Angeles residents currently experience and relate to the LA River? And how might the integration of traditional ecological knowledge and environmental stewardship into the LA River Master Plan impact this relationship along the Los Angeles River? To help answer these questions, I use three methods of data collection. First being observational research through 3 site visits along the Los Angeles River, which allowed me to get first-hand experience of the river and understand its current conditions. Next was a case study research, where I examined the Klamath River Restoration Project and the Yurok tribe's environmental stewardship efforts along the Klamath watershed. Lastly, I interviewed the environmental manager at the San Manuel Environmental Department at the San Manuel Nation, which is a tribal nation just outside of the Los Angeles area. From this data, I found that the current design and structure of the LA River severs the physical and emotional connections between the people of the river and creating an ecosystem that's often overlooked by local communities. This is due to lack of accessibility, the river is aesthetically unpleasing, lack of public infrastructure along the bike path, and so much more. I also found that combining traditional ecological knowledge and Western ecological knowledge can help create more resilient ecosystems. This was seen not only from my experience at the LA River, but also from my case study research along the Klamath watershed. And lastly, I found that environmental stewardship is more than just a one-person job. It's something that we're all responsible for, and it takes multiple people and organizations to work together in order to truly make an impact that lasts for generations. So why does this project matter? Well, due to Los Angeles River being such a large watershed, the full restoration plan is estimated to cost roughly $19 billion to $24 billion to complete. This is a huge resource that LA would be investing into the watershed. Therefore, there needs to be a sustainable plan to maintain it. Also, during restoration efforts, traditional ecological knowledge is often not considered, as we typically rely on the Western ecological knowledge to conduct these restoration efforts. But TEK can provide a holistic approach to ecosystems health, and it naturally connects to environmental stewardship that can be applied into the LA River Restoration Project. So what are the key takeaways from this capstone project? Well, I'm arguing that incorporating traditional ecological knowledge into the LA River Master Plan can strengthen ecological resilience of a restored LA River while reintroducing historical ecological relationships that often go unnoticed in Western ecological knowledge-based approaches to restoration. I'm also arguing that incorporating environmental stewardship into the LA River Master Plan can empower local communities to take an active role in caring for their watershed. By creating accessible stewardship opportunities, Los Angeles County can reduce some burdens of the long-term management demands while fostering community members as ongoing stewards of the river, because these stewards can be the on-the-ground community to identify degradation and contribute to its conservation and preservation, thus creating a healthier environment for future generations. To wrap up this presentation, I'd like to give a special thank you to the people on this slide for not only supporting me through this capstone course, but also through this entire MESH program. Thank you.